Hi guys, welcome to the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. If this is your first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you're revisiting, welcome back. I'm very excited and delighted to have you guys along for this evening's camping adventure. Go ahead and cheat on our fire. So we're in a rush. It is awfully late. We'll do this the simple, stupid way. There. Right now, we're just blowing up our air mattress. We're gonna get that in the tent. And then from there, my wife's gonna take care of our bedding. She's gonna set that up. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get dinner started because it's awfully late. A little bit of olive oil, just get things going here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was thinking that you weren't ready. So we're just cooking things here. Like I said, we got to camp a little late here, but we're late starters. Sometimes the later the better for us. Just got this asparagus going, got the steak going, and then we have a few other miscellaneous veggies. And I think I'm gonna make some rice to go with this. Sneak that guy next to the fire. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take off our asparagus, the meat, and the onions and peppers will continue on. So now we're gonna go ahead and divvy up our steak. Which portion would you like?
Like
Here?
this piece, yeah, the darkest, crunchiest. Yeah.
And that's all you want?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep, that's perfect. Look how juicy that is.
Perfect. It's not overcooked, which is amazing. Get some asparagus in here.
Let's see. Your
Now I'm
juicy
just
thing.
Waiting on my rice. Still waiting on my rice to finish cooking. Figure I'll have a few bites here. The asparagus is juicy. And the steak absolutely delicious. For this evening's adventure, got my snacks. I got some Kit Kats, some Reese's white chocolate peanut butter cups, some peanuts, some Doritos, cashews, and last but not least, a pint of some ice cream. How we used to watch movies in my R50 before upgrading my head unit. It's time to go to bed, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop in here. I'll see you guys in the air.
Inside or the outside? I think it's on the outside. Yep, it is. Ooh, look at it. It's pretty. Out a little bit. Ooh, it already smells good. Careful not to add those in. Oh yeah. To the meat. So good.
I made my wife an omelet. Hers actually came out perfect, and then mine is a hot, slobbery mess. But it's okay. It's gonna be a mixture of a steak omelet with steak on and tomatoes on the side with cheese. So I guess I should be happy. Mine's is a little extra. But right now we're just chilling. Got the classic 2-burner stove going here to make some more water for coffee. We're gonna enjoy our breakfast. My wife actually took care of the tent already, amongst other things, and pretty much what we have out now is what we'll have to pack up before we're actually ready to leave. But we're still going to be here for quite a bit yet. We're just enjoying our Sunday morning here on the mountain. Lots of birds. We've even heard woodpeckers in the area. Over this way, in the backdrop, there was one. You can hear him slamming into the tree that he's working on there. And then back here behind us, this way, is a ridge. The forest smells different here, like really, really heavy with the scent of pine. And for anyone that's ever smelt that scent and you like that scent, you know what I mean. It's just so captivating. I did have a little bit of an accident with some tree sap. Evidently, I woke up with some on the back of my head this morning. It was on my pillow. I don't know how it got there. Some of the store-bought wood that we have actually was oozing sap, so I have some on my hands. It's all sticky. But outside of that, it's been great. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and enjoy our omelet. Like I said, mine is a little bit on the sloppy side, but don't care really. It's all going in the same place, right? Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. So I'm getting eggs, onions, steak, peppers, cheese, now tomatoes. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Man, this tastes good. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's adventure. If you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.